friends, I have done this craft during this lockdown, so I'm going to share it with you. So this is the index. Let's turn to the first page. This is quilling craft. The materials used are quilling paper, glue and color sketches. Next page. Ice cream sticks craft. The materials used are ice cream sticks, glue and finally some color paper and glitter sheets. Let's turn now to the next page. The materials used are cotton balls, glue, color paper, color sketches, watercolors and finally Google Eyes. The craft is called EARBUDS craft. The materials used are earbuds and also color paintings. Let's turn. This craft is called paper plate craft. The materials used are paper plate, color paper, glue, black color paint and finally Google Eyes. Next, the craft is called paper balls craft. The materials used are color papers, glue and Google Eyes. This craft is called origami paper craft. The materials used are origami papers and black sketch, and this origami is bucket. This craft is called pencil waste craft. The materials used are pencil waste, glue and finally sketch pen. This craft is called feather craft. Let's see. The materials used are some feathers, glue, color paper and finally Google Eyes. This craft is called button craft. Let's see. The materials used are some buttons, joysticks, glue and finally some paint. This craft is called paper craft. Let's see how. So it's Ganesha craft. Let's see what are the materials used. The materials used are one big craft paper, glue and a black sketch to give an outline. The craft called matchstick craft. Let's see how does it look. It's a house. materials used are only some matchsticks and glue. Called paper straw craft. The materials are some paper straws, glue, color papers, and some glitter papers, and also a nice beautiful drawing. This craft is called plastic spoon craft. Let's see how does it look. So this is a tree. It has only colors yellow, red and green, and also black for branches. Let's see the materials. Plastic spoons, some colored paper for border, and also little glue. This craft is called sand craft. Let's see. So it's a beautiful flower and also a small bird. Let's see what are the materials. The materials used are black sheet, some sand or rangoli, and some colors, and also final glue. Next page. This craft is called craft with spices. Let's see how does it look. It's a beautiful scenery, and this is a tree, and it's a sand and the ocean. Now we'll see the mountains with the sun. Let's see what are the materials. The materials used are some spices and only glue, just two materials.